how to buy Monkey, the Wise Monkey token on KuCoin. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token, open it on CoinMarketCap and go and click on markets. As you can see, we have the KuCoin option. Just click on it. After that, you will be redirected to KuCoin page or website to be able to buy this token. Now make sure you are logged in to your account. If you don't have an account, just go and create one. Now after that, it's simple and easy. So what you need to do here, just click on or select the buy option, and you have two options here, the limit and markets. So if you select the limit, you will see here two options. So even you want to type how much you want to buy, or here you want to type how much you want to buy of Monkey. After that, you can select either the percentage of your USDT that you want to buy with, and after that, this is the volume, or this is the result, how much you will pay, and after that, just click on buy and you will buy this token. So you have the market option too. As you can see, you can now select the percentage of how much you want to buy with the USDT, or enter the amount of USDT you want to buy with. After that, click on buy. Because I don't have any fund on my channel, on my account, I can't be able to find the buy option. But for you, you can find the buy option and just click on it, and you will buy the Wise Monkey token on your KuCoin account. So this is how to buy the Monkey token on your KuCoin accounts. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.